What's up, guys? Today we will be making this little guy. I did this with my class and they absolutely loved it. This little guy will be the base for next week's video, or I guess later this week's video, because this one's late. But yeah, this will be the base, so this will be a very important video to follow because next week we'll be doing this, which I don't really want to spoil it. So yeah. Well, before we get into the video that we're going to be doing today, I want to just talk about a few things, just 3 things, and then we'll start. So 1, if you are a returning subscriber, there is a time code at the very top of this video, or at the very top of the description. Click it, it'll take you right to where we start drawing because you've already gone through the intro. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Ms.Phoenix, and welcome to my art class. Number 2, every single one of these videos will have this sheet right here. It has the step-by-steps of everything that we are going to be doing in class today. There are 2 links in the top of the description. One is for a Pinterest link where you can directly download and print out this sheet from there. The other one is a Google Doc, just in case you guys don't have Pinterest, because I know some people don't have Pinterest, and that is okay. Number 3, when you see this icon right here, that means that you can pause the video, or you should pause the video if you need to catch up on anything. It will usually be right after I explain something. Do what helps you. I am not physically there to teach you, so do what helps you. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, starting in the middle of our paper, we're gonna make a kind of awkward S shape. Starting in the middle of that, we're gonna draw some swirly shapes that look kind of like hands. Go out and around and then back again. For our other hand, we're gonna start in the middle of our face and draw a swirly, kind of like a snail shell. Starting in the middle of our other hand, we're gonna make a curved L shape and add some feet that are just some squiggly lines. For our eye, we're gonna start with a C shape that has 2 little half circles in the inside. Now, for this, okay, I'm gonna pause you guys right here. For this, you can pick whatever you want to put on yours. You don't have to follow the spikes exactly. I want you guys to have creative freedom on this, because what is art without creative freedom? Also, this is what it looks like now. I painted his tummy black because my green marker was running out, and I think it looks really good. I just used a chalk marker over it, and yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. 50% of you guys are not subscribed, which is kind of cool actually, so please subscribe. It means things are happening, but please subscribe, it would help me out. I know my upload schedule has been off, but we're working on getting back to it, so please hit that subscribe button. Click over here for a video that YouTube recommends. Click over here for, or I guess to save the playlist where all of these will be stored. Don't worry, there will be more. I have a whole curriculum for you guys, and click in the middle to subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time, because I don't want to say next week, because I don't know when the next video is coming out. I will see you guys next time in a brand new video. Stay creative, stay artistic, and I will see you guys later.